Assalamu alaikum. Another very exciting moment going to have in this video that I am going to achieve another 258 pips with this New Zealand and Japanese yen currency pair. That means it took about 20 26 candle, which means it's almost 4 and 4.5 days. So it took 4.5 days to achieve the 250 pips. Um, there are 1 to 25 or around 20, 25 to 27 currency pairs over there. If each of them getting minimum of 270 or 275 pips, 270 times 27, which is 7,290 pips per month for 27 currencies. If I'm losing 10% of it, it's still minus 7,290, 7,290, which will still will be achieving 6,561 pips, which is amazing for a month, achieving at this level of pips. So here you see the exciting is getting hit. The take profit is getting hit very soon, which is very amazing moment and amazing live trading strategy, and the determination of price action. I believe you love it. You love to have the strategy all the way to learn from me. So stay tuned with me and subscribe. Thank you very much.